I'm Chris Whitehurst. This is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you're not going to want to miss one. This is episode 153, and we're talking about specifically about the timeline for listing your home. If you were to put your home on the market, do you know how long it's going to take it to sell? That timeline is important in your move. Are you considering the weeks of preparing your home with repairs and inspections? Go back and look at the recent video on Tale of Two Homes to figure out exactly how important those inspections are. There's also 30 to 45 days you got to factor in for marketing, 30 days of being under contract, the inspection period. The big factor is current market conditions. A home listed right now is going to be very different on their timeline than a home if you were to list it in the spring like May. All of those factors go into your timeline and deciding the best time to get your home listed. Lining things up on your timeline is a very important part of the process for me as an agent. I use that to make sure your home is sold and you get your move underway on your timeline. If you're ready to sell now, you need to know what that timeline is going to look like. If you need to be moving in May, we need to adjust how long it takes us to get your home listed. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes and other great content over on my YouTube channel. I'm also on most popular social media sites like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.